Oh goodness. Okay, so you can't hardly see anything, but it's icing everywhere. I'm out here in my shorts and a hoodie, like an idiot. See if you can even see the tree. Not really. The tree's covered in ice. Looks really rad. Shouldn't be out here. There you go. Shit. Okay. So, I'm hoping you can hear that because it's freaking terrifying, but also amazing. If you listen, you can hear the trees falling down. It's good company. You can hear the trees coming down. Where's Henry? Let's see if I can get one. Did you hear that? That was a tree. All of our trees are coming down. Yeah, like that. It's freaking scary because, I mean, that's a tree right there. That's a house. Tree, house. Not fun. What is it, Harley? Yeah, we're gonna die. Ow. Ow. Ice hurts. I wish I could actually, like, show you the trees that have already fallen down, but I don't want to go over there. Is someone whistling at me? This is ridiculous. Huh? I can't hear a word you're saying. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna show you guys for now because I don't want to die. But footprints. Okay. Come on, Harley. Come on, puppy. Bye-bye, poultry. Oh goodness. And as you can tell, but Georgia doesn't ever get snow. We're all freaked out and the pine trees are breaking. Okay. Bye-bye.